Hi everyone, Gretchen from Natural Horseman Saddles, and spring is in the air here in Colorado and hopefully for where many of you are at. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about changing out some saddle strings on your saddle. This is one of our Durango deep seat saddles, and today we're just going to give you a quick lesson on how to change out your saddle strings with the Slotted Concho. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial on changing out your saddle strings with Slotted Conchos, and please feel free to email us at saddles@naturalhorsemansaddles if you have any further questions. Thanks so much.